Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to get the Robot 2 in Geometry Dash. So step number 1 is check your robot icons. So open your icon kit and navigate to the robot icon section. So from there, you will see Robot 2 is locked with a padlock. So as you can see, so this icon is unlocked by completing specific levels. Next is you just have to play the main levels. So to do that, just go to the main level section and start playing through them. So Robot 2 is unlocked by completing early levels like Stereo Madness, Back on Track, and Polar Geist. So step number 3 is collect stars and coins. So as you play through the levels, you can collect stars by completing them and grab secret coins for bonus rewards. So each completed levels brings closer to the unlocking the robot 2. Step number 4 is complete the requirements. So after reaching the required numbers of stars and completing the specific levels, robot 2 will be unlocked. So you will see a celebration screen showing your new robot icon. Lastly is you just have to equip your robot 2. So head over to your icon kit and find robot 2, and from there you will see that it is unlocked with a check mark with it. So select it to equip and then enjoy your new robot icon in all robot sections. That's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!